These are my favorite, like creme de la creme. Like, these are the products that I love. So I'm gonna just show you guys, no order, just picking things up and just showing you guys. Okay, is that okay with y'all? Is that cool? All right.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you are.
Hey guys, it's me, Daisy Courtney, and today I'm here to do my current makeup favorites. I did my makeup and I was sitting there and I was like, why not just do a makeup favorite? Show everybody your favorite makeup products, because this video can help somebody who's just getting into makeup or who wants to up their makeup game, add some new stuff to their collection. So why not? So I'm going to show you guys all of my makeup favorites. Most of these products you guys have seen me use in my videos, so I mean, the proof is in the pudding. But I want to thank you guys for being here. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every single time I post a video. And yeah, let's get into it. All right, so I'm just gonna, you know, I have the products in front of me. It's only like 10 products, but these are my favorite, like creme de la creme. Like, these are the products that I love. So I'm gonna just show you guys, no order, just picking things up and just showing you guys. Okay, is that okay with y'all? Is that cool? All right. So the first thing is this Morphe Jumbo Continuous Setting Mist, the black bottle. I love the black one. I have the gold one, but I like the black one a little better. I love it to set my makeup in between steps and just set my makeup after. I just locks in my makeup and it just makes me look so glowy and it just melts everything together. So this is the jumbo one. They have the smaller ones if you guys want to try those. And so love this. You guys have seen me use this in my videos. If you guys are familiar with my other content, you guys definitely have seen me. You have used it today, so yeah. The next product is a blush. So I've been using this blush for like the last 2 years. Like, this brand's blush is top tier. I've heard about it before I started using makeup. I used it myself and I can definitely say the reviews are true. This is one of the best blushes on the market. So yes, this is the Juvia's Place Blush Duo in volume 1. I like to use volume 4 as well. This is volume 4 here. Volume 4 is like the most popular out of the collection. Everybody goes crazy for this. This is the first one I've seen, the volume 4. It's so pretty. They retail for about $18, but you're gonna have them for years, so you're not gonna have to worry about restocking it. And then this is volume 1. This is more neutral. This is the one I'm wearing today. It's more of like a plum and terracotta type of color. I love these blushes so much. Like, I'm always gonna grab for these blushes. These are my favorite blushes. I always grab for them. They're super pigmented. They do exactly what you need them to do. A little goes a long way, so do not be heavy-handed with them, because you could look like you have blush blindness. And I'm a little heavy-handed sometimes, but yeah, I love these blushes. So this is the Juvia's Place Blush Duo in volume 1 and volume 4. Love these. The next product is a concealer. So this concealer, I use this on my videos too. It's the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer, the matte finish in deep olive. I love this. I love this concealer so much. This concealer is so fire. Like, it's thick but not too thick, right? Because if you are into makeup, you know there's some concealers that's a little too thick and heavy and you can only use a tiny bit and it's kind of cakey. It could give you a cakey look, and then you have some that's a little watery and a little too thin. This is like the perfect consistency. It's between. It's like not too thick and it's not too thin. It's just right. I love it. I love the applicator. I think this is called a doe foot applicator. This is the applicator. I love the applicator. It just fits perfectly under your eye into like all of like the little nooks and crannies. So I love that. Like, I love this concealer. People be like talking about it. Like, some people like it, some people don't. I love it, and I've been using it ever since I got it. It has never gave me an adverse effect or anything. So yeah, the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer, matte finish in deep olive, top tier. The next concealer is a OG. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. So as you guys see, mine is all squeezed up, but this is what it looks like, the fawn color. I love this one. I had it and it was sitting around for a while. I'm like, you know what, let me just pick it up, and I've been using it. in all my makeup looks these last couple of weeks, and I do love it. It's definitely one of my newly favorites. Yeah, I just feel like this is an OG. Sometimes you gotta go back to the basics. Like if you was on YouTube 2011, 2012 watching the influencers, 2013, 14, this is what a lot of them was using. LA Pro Conceal and some shade, but LA Pro Conceal nonetheless. You gotta go back to the roots. And why is inflation, why are these like $5 now, $5, $6 some places? They used to be like $2. They're like $5, $6 now, but whatever. Yeah, I love this. I need to go get some more before inflation really takes effect and they're super high. But yeah, this is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. The next product is something I use in all my videos as well. I love it, love it, love it. It is the Sephora Micro Smooth Multitasking Baked Face Powder. I use the shade 65 Toffee, but I also have it in the shade 58 Almond. I use either or. These are so good. You can literally get these from Sephora. They're from the Sephora collection. They're so smooth, they're so buttery, they're so long lasting, and when I tell you it makes your makeup look flawless, I tell you flawless. Like, hold on, let me use some just so I can show you. Hold on. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see how flawless that looks? See this side? See this side? Look. See? Flawless. Flawless. Do you see that? Do you see the difference? How flawless your makeup looks? Like, I think it is so worth it. Yeah, I love this powder. If you guys watch any of my videos, you guys see me use this powder. This powder is literally flawless. It makes your skin literally look like a filter. I love this powder so much. It's from Sephora. It retails for like $20, but sometimes they have a sale and you get it for even cheaper. So yeah, I advise y'all to stock up on these. So yeah, the Sephora Micro Smooth Multitasking Baked Face Powder. This is in the shade 65 Toffee and this is in 58 Almond. These are my shades. So yeah, go get y'all shades and get y'all some. The next product is fairly new. I think it's been on the market about 6 months, I want to say. I've had it about 6 months, but it is the best mascara ever. This is the e.l.f. Lash Extender Mascara. I love this mascara with every fiber in my being. I wear it all the time. This is what it looks like. I am no longer a false lashes girl, so I am a mascara girly, and my lashes are so long. I hope you guys can see. Do you guys see how pretty they are? You guys are not even getting the full effect, but it is so pretty. So pretty. And when I tell you, I get my mascaras always in the blackest black. I think this is called Pitch Black. I always get mine in the darkest shade. It's just so pretty. It makes it look like you have a little lash on. You don't need it at all. Like, you will not, if you use this mascara, you will never ever get another mascara again, and you will also never ever want to put on a pair of false lashes ever again. I promise you, this mascara is literally perfect. I rave about this mascara in every makeup video that I do. I love this mascara. Love it, love it, love it, love it. I have like 4 of these, and every time I go to the store I try to pick me up one. I just think that this is a great investment. I love this. Love. I love this mascara with every fiber in my being. Just love it. Love it down. Next product is foundation. Holy Grail foundation. Been using it ever since I started doing makeup. It is the Maybelline Fit Me. I just got a pump from Amazon and put it in there because I want to be able to pump it on my face. My shade is 358 Latte. This shade I use. This will last so long. I use the matte and poreless finish one. I love this. Like, I love this foundation so much. This foundation is so affordable. It's under $10, full coverage, matte, not cakey, not watery. Like, I love this foundation. It works so well with my skin. I use this nearly in all of my makeup videos. Like, I love it. You can't go wrong with this. You cannot go wrong with this. I will constantly repurchase this and constantly rebuy this. Love this. Next, I'm going to go on to lip products. I talk about these lip products in all my videos as well. This is the NYX Butter Gloss. I have 2 shades. I have number 2, which is called Eclair. Number 45, which is Sugar High. I've been using NYX Butter Gloss since I was literally like in middle school. So I have been using these 10 years or more. Like, and I just replenish them so often. Every so often I just get new ones. But I love these. These are perfect, and I think they're $5 or $6. They're literally so affordable. They are so buttery. They live up to their name. And I just feel like if you're ever confused, like what lip gloss do I need? I just need, get a butter gloss. Get a NYX butter gloss. You can't go wrong. They have like a plethora of shades. You will find something that you like. I love them. So they're affordable, wide shade range, buttery, not too sticky, like very pigmented. Like they're not all, you know how some lip gloss, if you're a lip gloss girl like me, some are like really watery or they're not as pigmented. No, you're never gonna have to worry about none of those things if you get a butter gloss. I feel like a butter gloss is something you can't go wrong. Affordable, compact, full coverage, wide shade range. It has everything you're looking for, I promise you. The next makeup product that is my favorite, it's so affordable, and I talk about this in all my videos as well. It is the Ruby Kisses Ultra Easy Eyeliner in the shade brown. I use it for my lips. It is the most buttery, perfect lip liner. It goes perfect with my skin. It's so perfect. I love it. I need to redo my lips, but when I tell you, this is one of the most affordable, if not the, I think it's no more than $2 first of all. See how buttery that is? Buttery is ever, even with lip gloss on. It's so perfect. It's so buttery, and look how it just goes perfect with any lip gloss. This is the NYX butter gloss that I'm using actually. Why not show you guys my beauty favorites and how they work in real time, right? You guys see the NYX butter gloss, and then the lip liner, do you guys see? It's so perfect. It goes so good with every lip color. Like it's never, you know how some browns is a little too dark, some is a little too light. No, this is the perfect brown. I feel like if you're my skin complexion or even darker or lighter, it's the perfect brown. It's just the regular brown color. Like it's so perfect. I feel like it's so affordable. It's under $2. Beauty supply store, you get it anywhere. It's so buttery. It just looks good with any lip combination, any color. Like perfect. I love this. I've been using it in so many of my makeup videos, and like I said, all these products that I have here, I've used them in all my makeup videos. I talk about them so highly, so you guys know this is not just a one-time video. Like I use these all the time, no cap in my wrap. Love it. So yeah, the Ruby Kisses Ultra Easy Lip Liner brown. And the last product, but definitely not least, you guys see me do a video on this, I love it. It is the Kimchi Puff Puff Pass powder. I used it today as well. I got mine in the shade Banana. One, the packaging is top tier. You guys go check out my review on this powder if you guys are interested. But the packaging is top tier, and not only that, this powder has you looking like a freaking filter, and it's also not cakey. It's so perfect, and it's affordable. It's only $19. It's not too bad, and I feel like a little goes a long way. I love this powder. You guys watch me do a whole review on this on my channel. It is amazing. Go check that video out if you haven't already. But I love this powder with every fiber of my being. Like I love this powder. I used it today. It's definitely going to be a part of my daily routine. I love it. Like I love this powder. I love this kimchi powder. Like you just cannot go wrong. Like you can't go wrong with this. Like I said, all of these products that I have shown you, I either use them every day, I've done a review. Like you guys, the proof is in the pudding. You guys have seen my makeup looks, so see my makeup now. I just feel like if you recommend a friend to any video, recommend them this one. This will be a great help for them. They will learn so much about these products, and just recommend my channel in general, because you guys watch me use these products and how they work, and you guys get to see. So this is not just a, oh, she's just doing this for video. No, this is facts. This is real. I love these products so much. Like I just love playing in makeup. I love doing makeup. So yeah, these are all of my makeup favorites right now. I will be updating these videos and doing more, but as of right now, these are my current makeup favorites. Comment down below what is your favorite or some of your makeup favorites. You guys may put me onto something new, something I may try. So leave something down in the comments down below. Start a conversation with me, and I will see you guys in my next video. I want to thank you guys for supporting me. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Follow me on all social media platforms at the girl with the flower name, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you. Bye.